The Kindig Academy is something unlike anything in the country. The way to think about it is if the MBA is the pinnacle credential for a person in business, this is the pinnacle credential for somebody in the custom car fabrication world to get the top level skills necessary to build the best cars in the world. As we have kind of moved forward and build out our programs, educating students and being the best at delivering technical education is really about doing three things extremely well. So it's about building great curriculum with all the right topics and all the right exercises to teach people those skills. It's about having the best faculty who are really great at connecting with students and getting people to understand how to do things. And it's about partnering with partners that have the best tools and the best equipment.
We want our students to learn on the top equipment out in the world so that when they do get out there, they're familiar with it, they understand it, how to use it, and can teach, train, and work with that equipment, and GFS is one of the best.
If we're teaching old technologies and we're behind with the new technologies, we're going to train the technicians, and it could be the best training in the world. But when they take that first job, they're already behind because they haven't had any experience with any of the new technologies. Their employers then have to invest that time to train them, and we want to take that off the employer's plate and get them a jump start into those positions.
We believe our partnership with GFS and our students getting to train on GFS equipment is essential for them to be the top in their field because they're using the best paint booths and the best equipment out there. And we believe that's really critical for our students to get that experience working with the best equipment that's out there.
For GFS and for REVO, being involved into working with new techs that are getting into the market, showing them what the new technologies are, what the good technologies are out there, can have them prepared to get into the market knowing which body shops are better equipped to make them successful. They can help to get those body shops better equipment. They can be more valuable to the body shop where they would go to work because they can bring a new knowledge that sadly a lot of times it's hard to get there.
The importance of the REVO system is the advanced technology and the shortwave infrared heating system. We can cure and process products much quicker so we can have a faster turnaround time on collision work, but we can do it in a more safe manner. So the short wave, it hits the panel, bounces back out and brings the solvents and resins with it, but it does not damage or heat any of the internal components of the car. So we can work on these vehicles safely. We can work on electric vehicles, we can work on modern vehicles without damaging any computers, any sensors, and we can produce faster, better work.
The infrared technology used by REVO systems is very beneficial for our students because we are a time-based school. And the more time they have available to work, the less time they're waiting for it to dry, gives them more opportunity to learn.
It's making sure that they know about a technology that can solve their problems and increase their quality once they get out into the market.
The opportunities for young technicians going into the field are like I've never seen. They're getting higher wages, they're getting better opportunities, and they can build a career that will take care of themselves and their future families.